start by drawing a big oval body. Add 2 wings on the sides, 2 feet at the bottom, and a small beak in the middle of the face. Don't forget the big round eyes. Now color the body dark gray or black, and the tummy light yellow or cream. The beak and feet can be orange. The eyes stay white with black dots. Perfect! Our penguin looks cute and ready to waddle on the ice. Great job, you made a chilly little penguin friend. First, draw a big round head with curly hair. Add 2 big eyes, a round nose, and a big smiling mouth. Then, draw the clown's body with overalls, a shirt, and big shoes. Now color the clown's hair orange, the nose red, and the mouth bright red. The shirt can be green with white spots, the overalls purple, and the shoes brown. Make the ruffle around the neck yellow. Wonderful! Our clown looks funny and cheerful, ready to make everyone laugh. Well done, you made a happy clown friend!